Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special with 10,788 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and navigation. It's been upgraded with highway pegs, grips, a tinted windscreen, levers, 12-inch handlebars, docking hardware, a Vance & Hines Stage 1 intake, a Vance & Hines exhaust, Vance & Hines mufflers, a Rockford Fosgate upper fairing, and saddlebag lit speakers. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Street Glide puts 101 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Street Glide has a 200 to 250 mile range. It has a 27.4-inch seat height and an 820-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 4/30 seconds, and the rear at 5/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the exhaust pumps on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scrape on the saddlebag latch. This bike has one key and one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.